asked to maximize revenue. Revenue is just the amount of money coming into the business. Okay. So we have this linear function n of p. N stands for the number of bikes they rent. Okay, so n stands for the number of bikes they rent, and p is the price. So here in words, what we want to write out for revenue is the number of bikes times the price per bike. That would calculate how much revenue they have, right? If they charge $10 per bike and they get 100 bikes, 100 times 10, that's $1,000. So the revenue, I can type it. No. Okay, the revenue is the number of bikes, which is this expression. It depends on P, the price, which makes sense, times P. Okay, this represents the number of bikes they told us. And then the price per bike, that's already the variable P. And we can distribute that P and make it multiply everything inside here. That's 200P minus 8P squared. And now that's something we can maximize with calculus. To find potential maxes and mins, we take the derivative. We're taking the derivative with respect to P here. And then you set the derivative equal to 0. And wherever the derivative fails to exist, or wherever the derivative equals 0, those are all your critical points. Those are all the places where the max or min could occur. So that's why we set it equal to 0. So if you solve that equation, you'd want to subtract 200 from both sides, divide 16 from both sides, 12.5. So that's the price. They should be charging $12.50 to maximize revenue. Okay, similar problem. This one's done the same way though. They're just saying here's the constraints. Your price can't dip between those. It can't dip below 35. It can't go above 120. I don't think. Yeah, 12.5 is exactly in the middle, so we're all set there. Same thing here. The revenue is going to be the number of items we sell, which is given to us as a function of the price. So it's the number of items we sell times the price. Distribute that P. Then you take a derivative of revenue to find maxes and mins. And then you set that derivative equal to 0. And if you solve that equation, you'll want to subtract that 1200 from both sides. And divide that negative 20 from both sides. It's going to be positive 60. The price should be 60.